The walrus is one of the largest members of the pinniped family, at 4,000 pounds and 14 feet long, and have been known for their long 4-foot tusks. While females will only use these tusks for defense, males will also use it for fighting other males for territory and right to mate. But will this be enough to protect it from a polar bear in today's showdown? The polar bear is the largest carnivore on land, whose native range lies largely within the Arctic Circle. The polar bear can stand 13 feet tall on two legs and weigh up to 1,500 pounds. Its usual diet includes seals, narwhals, beluga whales, and even sometimes small walruses. But can it handle a large 4,000-pound male in today's face-off? And now it is time for the face-off. A big bull walrus is coming out of the water onto the snow. Nearby, a large polar bear is looking for food. So how does the walrus win in this face-off? The polar bear tries to attack, but the walrus tries heading for the water. Eventually, when they get into the water, the walrus starts to attack. Running out of air, the polar bear heads for the surface. This marks the turning point. The walrus's tusks lay the polar bear a fatal blow. Next time, we head to the Chinese forest, where a cousin of the polar bear will go against one of the sneakiest felines in the Asian area. The black panther and giant panda will square off.